Hi, this is Christina Lucero, and today I'm presenting on developing 21st century skills to help students be college and career ready. I'm presenting to our English and English language departments at our school, Innovation High, which is an independent study charter school. So what exactly are 21st century skills? According to Wallace and Steptoe in their article, How to Bring Schools out of the 20th century, 21st century skills mean that our students know more about the world beyond our four walls and their community. It means that they're thinking outside of the box and coming up with innovative ways to solve problems. They're being smarter about new sources of information and researching background about these sources of information, even outside of the classroom. And developing good people skills, which means they can learn how to navigate around hot topics, create partnerships with people from other cultures and backgrounds, and learning how to employ conflict resolution skills. According to the Career and Readiness Partner Council, a student is college and career ready if they can effectively navigate pathways that connect education and employment to achieve a fulfilling, financially secure, and successful career. When we turn to the 21st century learning, there are three sets of skills that as educators we can focus on. While all of these skills presented in this image are vital for the focus of this presentation, I'm going to focus on the outer three of the diagram. Learning and innovation skills, life and career skills, and information, media, and technology skills. The first set of skills we focus on are learning and innovation skills, which include the four C's: communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. The second set of skills we will focus on are life and career skills. According to the P21's framework for 21st century learning, today's students need to develop skills and competencies to navigate complex life and work environments. So the P21 essential skills are life and career skills include flexibility and adaptability, innovation, initiative and self-directive, social and cross-cultural skills, productivity and accountability, and leadership and responsibility. And the third set of skills we will focus on are information, media, and technology skills. These skills focus on information literacy and focusing on effective ways to evaluate the quality and credibility of information, understanding digital footprints and ethical use of digital resources, protecting ourselves online and learning how to handle digital communication, and learning about and preventing cyberbullying. So when it comes to learning and innovation skills, what we do well at our school is address and develop critical thinking skills across all subjects. And we do well with communicating with students. Where we need to develop is to take those communication skills and work together to create a more linked learning path for our students. When the various departments work together, we are helping our students learn the importance of communication and how to apply those critical thinking skills to more than just one subject area at a time. We're helping them develop these skills more thoroughly. Another area we need to develop is teaching our students how to share their own thoughts and solutions. Because the nature of independent study, students tend to come to their teachers or come to us for guidance, but they're ignoring more valuable resources such as their peers and tutors. And I strongly believe that this is an area where we can build upon. When it comes to life and career skills, we do really well to address and develop productivity and accountability across all subjects. Our school is also lucky enough to have the Access program and the Career Center located within our schools. Students are getting more hands-on experience with internships and exploration of potential careers. With that being said, we do need to allow students to take more of an initiative and become more self-directive. And we can do a better job at reaching out and inviting the Access department and the Career Center into discussions about lessons on career research, and even allow them to come in and speak about their services. Now, when it comes to information, media, and technology skills, we address information and media literacy well in our classrooms. Students are learning to investigate the credibility of sources and spotting fake news. Additionally, we are fortunate to have several CTE pathways or career pathways available to our students, including IT and computer engineering pathways, and we also have some leaders who are willing to share their expertise with technology and how they use it in the curriculum to build student media and technology skills. We can do more with our CTE pathways, though, and we can work towards linked learning between not just the various academic departments, but also with the CTE department. And students can be linking their learning throughout all of the entire school. Additionally, we could be more open to our colleagues and be more willing to learn how to take their lessons and make them our own. And in regards to information, media, and technology skills for students, we can develop curriculum together to help them understand their digital footprints and how to handle digital communications. So to develop these three skills, I propose that we use a current lesson plan to link our students' learning. For example, our 11th grade curriculum has a lesson that focuses on Abraham Lincoln's Gettysburg Address, which is focused on how to get people in a community to overcome the hardships or overcome the negativity they have against each other or their differences and works together to rebuild their community. So we can use this curriculum to develop a project-based learning approach with links to various subjects. So through project-based learning approach, students can work together to answer driving questions such as how can community members work together to develop solutions when people don't agree. So they're asking this larger question, how was Abraham Lincoln able to successfully get the North and the South to work together? And they're doing this by doing some kind of research within the community and asking their students will develop communication and collaboration skills as they learn to develop their own questions and reach out to and research which community organizations can help them find answers. They will develop initiative and self-direction as they are learning. They are leading their learning and they're searching for their own answers. And in their collaborative groups, they have to kind of figure out who's going to do what. And we can bring members of the CT department or student leaders in to teach students how to understand their digital footprints as they get ready to publish their findings and projects online. So that is just one example of how we can do that. And that's just at the surface level. We can dive deeper into it and figure out how English and math can look at the statistics and use that together, or how English and social science can work together to kind of look at primary sources, and you can even bring in science to kind of figure out some of those other things. So this is the end of my project. Hopefully we can work towards developing a stronger curriculum. Thank you.